good, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where I'm still learning to be a YouTuber. So despite the fact that I now have a mic, I thought it would be able to overpower all the noise in Centro, and it certainly didn't. Anyway, in this week's video, I'm going to take you through, it's kind of a hodgepodge. So I was down in Centro looking for Sarsaparilla, which so many of you commented and sent me messages on Instagram. By the way, go follow me there if you're not yet, on this herb that is actually native to Jamaica and Mexico. So I was in the market, I went downtown looking for it. It helps a lot with your iron levels, and I shared that I was having some issues with my anemia in the last video. So I went downtown to find it. I actually did not find it in the market, but I did end up finding it. So I want to show you where. But we got into some really cool things downtown, so I'm going to take you through just a few things. Stay with me here. Now, one of the great things about this trip downtown is that I finally decided to try it out at night when the sun goes down, because I always come down here in the middle of the day when it's hot and sweaty, and I need to take my cues from the locals and actually visit downtown when it's not so hot and the market is still going, everything is nice and cool, and it was wonderful. And then I started to notice some clothing stores, around the market, the central location, and I was like, 20 pesos? 5 pesos for what? What are y'all selling? And then I saw that they had some underwear stuff, some undergarments, and I really decided to check out some of these clothing stores that are around in the central area. So I'm going to take you through a few of them, and I actually did stop in one of them and get a few items. So I'm going to show you that as well. This store is called Vertice. There's actually a few of them downtown, and I looked it up. There is one in the north as well, because I was like, okay, this store has some cute stuff. I'm going to have to revisit. Munchkin found a bunch of, she's in this crop top phase, and I'm like, listen, girl, oh gosh. But anyway, I'm allowing her to express her creativity in fashion and, all the things. They really had some cute everyday tops. Now, this is not your brand store. This is not your quality, very high quality pieces. But trust me, you can find everyday items to wear in these stores. I bought a couple dresses myself. Like, look at this one I'm about to hold up and show you all. Just nice, easy, very cool, comfortable tops, dresses, shorts that you can wear in this Merida heat. Look, here's another one. It's even more comfortable, it's better laid out. This Waldo's, someone told me it's like a dollar store. So we did go inside to check it out. And here's another Vertice with some pretty dresses. Munchkin has a spring formal coming up with the Merida Teens Club. And so, I have my eye open looking for anywhere that I can get something formal for her without having to buy it online, because I want her to put it on and, have that experience and make sure it fits and all of that. Here is another option. So even though these stores are downtown, they're not all clustered and, messy and crowded. So you can definitely check out these stores. Between these stores for your basic everyday pieces and then like the high-end stores in the malls, I think you can definitely find clothes to wear in Merida, no matter what shape or size or fashion styles you like. There is something here for everyone. You just have to be willing to get out and look at what's available. Don't come and just stay in the expat bubble. That's not the way to go. It's actually my Spanish teacher who told me where to get the Sarsaparilla, so that section is coming up. I'm really enjoying the fact that I have, a Mexican friend now, because I asked him where to get all the things and he has all the answers. After not finding my Sarsaparilla on this day, we decided to stop and get some food. Munchkin was starving. This is Cafe La Habana. It's right off Plaza Grande. It looks very local and very Mexican. So I was trying to, have me some Yucatecan food that, I forgot the name of that. Oh gosh, it is something that you can get at the beach too, where they mix the beer with this mixture. I have no idea what's in it yet, but I love it. I went with a club sandwich because it was one of my favorite bar foods back home, even though I meant to order a Cuban sandwich. So things get lost in translation quite often with me here. Never mind, it was delicious. And Munchkin, she went for a chicken parmesan. And so she enjoyed that as well. She took home a bunch of it because it was quite a large meal. So I was very happy that we did stop in this restaurant and try out the dishes here. The only thing is that maybe I should have actually tried Yucatecan food because, you know, it looked very traditional. It was a very traditional looking restaurant. So I think that was a missed opportunity for me. But moving right along, we went back downtown on day two. This is day two of me trying to find my Sarsaparilla because I don't want to be on iron pills all the damn time. Like, I need a natural way to fix this, right? So anyway, before we went in search of that, I brought my mom along for this leg of the journey because she speaks a little bit better Spanish than us. And there was some, what do they call it? Camino de Flores or something. They have a display at the Piaje de la Revolucion. That's this place that we're walking right up to here. It is a display of flora, fauna, all kind of things. And you're about to see it. I'm about to take it. I just love that there's always something cultural to do in Centro. So, you know, while we struggle with the camera here, we're gonna get it right. Trust me, you guys. By the way, did I tell you that I am now monetized? Like, your girl is an official YouTuber. So I'm going to spend some time learning all the things, the gadgets, because I bought the camera, I bought the tool, all the tools that I need to actually take this seriously. Anyways, let us walk through the flower display here. Camina, the names coming up there. I was just looking at the flowers, thinking, okay, when you're done, what do you do with them? Can I take a few home? I don't know. You just put them on display, and then what? I was just like, come on, guys. I want one of these and one of these and one of these to build out my patio garden area. Can I just, you know, take up a few? Anyways, so we're walking through, and it actually was quite a lovely display. And somebody told us that it is even more spectacular at night. So we did go back a third day. Yes, we did. That's coming up later in the video, so make sure you stay tuned because it really was even more spectacular at night. All right, let's walk through and just enjoy. Let me shut up my mouth. Look at these beautiful peace lilies over here. I was kind of reflecting on the one that I had in my bedroom in Kingston. I think I gave it away, and I think the lady told me that it did. Oh boy. I love peace lilies though, so that's kind of one of them when we did want just take up and carry home with me. Oh, it's there. Love how they made animals from all of the trees. You saw a reindeer, and look, it's a kitty cat. I think that is so genius. I just love how Merida just keeps coming up with things to keep its residents entertained. Like, there's always something fun to do, see, look at, eat. I love it. Speaking of eat, look at this long line to get into Dairy Queen on the day that they give away a free cone. Like, I don't know if I want a Dairy Queen cone that bad, but all right. But back to the mission of looking for Sarsaparilla. I found this store. Its name is Super Naturista, and they have a membership. So of course, it's just like a natural food store where you would find all your herbs and your supplements and everything. And I picked up my Sarsaparilla, here it is, and I also got ashwagandha and some holy patins, some spirulina, some chai tea. Oh, you know, editing this video, I'm going to go make myself a cup of chai. I just realized. Why did I say chai tea just now? I know better than that. Anyways, there's the Sarsaparilla. I have been boiling it and making my tea, and it doesn't really have a taste. They say this is what they use to make root beer, but anyway, stay tuned to see if it actually helps my levels. Now on to Patio Petenka. Look at this building. Like, you think a bar in there? It's an abandoned building, ain't it? This is the entrance to a place here called Patio Patenka, which is like a bar. Look at Munchkin going wild. It's like a bar and it doesn't have smoking, so you can see that someone's coming outside to smoke. They do have very limited food options because it is mainly a bar, and they have a lot of games inside. So, you know, you can get together with your friends. We were playing some Jenga and some foosball and all kind of things. We'll get into it. Now, the food was actually delicious. I had tacos. Munchkin had a torta. The elote was off the chain, and this is what the inside looks like. I just thought it was so cool.
Green.
Huh?
It looks green.
Well, it's pepino, y lima.
Yeah.
What else? Naranja? How is it? How is your mocteles? Oh, there went your, what is that? Bush. Your bush.
It's not bad actually.
Oh, look at that. Refreshing. Foosball, darts, whatever else that is over there.
Quesadilla, c'est avec l'avocat et salsa casera.
You're not supposed to take from the top. That one. The one, you see the middle, above it? No, above it again, yeah. But to the left. That one. That's my go-to. What are you doing?
Your turn. Your go-to, huh? Your go-to, huh? You're stuck on it. No, you're holding it. That's unfair. Girl. It just... Gracias. Libations. Come, you start with that one, you gotta go with it. I'm waiting. No, you're holding it, stop that. You know, to say you have teeth.
Hold it.
Okay, girl. Girl, what? No, basketball, you play a netball. I must say netball. No, seriously.
You said.
Walk one around hustle.
You said to throw like this. I'm
Like with a strong arm and locked elbow. Oh. Bye. Yeah, where's my flame? Here's one of the beautiful dresses that I bought in Vertice. Isn't it just the coolest, cutest little thing? I absolutely love it. I went back and got it in another color. That's how much I love it. Anyway, one last bit to this video. You all will remember this little food gourmet plaza from my brunch video, I think it was, where we went to La Libertad. So we're trying Mythica this time. If you ask any expat where's the best burger in all of what is name? Merida, they will tell you Mythica, and I don't know why. But let us try it. Now we're all dressed up to go eat. What I didn't realize is that Mythica is actually just a burger joint. It's like, you know, Burger King. Carl's Jr. Hey. So this is the choices, and I went with a sweet onion burger, and I got Munchkin a jalapeno popper burger because that's my go-to at Carl's. I actually really like their jalapeno poppers. Which, side note, how come that isn't a common thing here in Mexico? Mexico myth busted. So it cost us around 27 USD for 3 items. Not bad, you know, it's a burger joint. And this is my sweet onion burger, which it did all right. Like, guys, this is the best burger y'all have found in Merida. I love me my Carl's Jr. Carl's Jr. is just around the road from us, so we go there all the time. It's better. Anyways, we are back in Centro one last time, guys. I have to show you the flower display at night. They were setting up for a Mayan festival, and so we got there way too early. So, you know, spoiler alert, I don't have actual footage of that. I'm very sorry. But here is a little teaser that they had out front. Cool. They went on to do a full-on little dance and everything, so this is why you see me struggling to look back and capture pieces of it. I wish we stayed for the festival, but you know, I'm really just not that into crowds and loud spaces anymore, so yeah. But as I said, there's always something to see and do in Merida. So if that's your scene, then you will absolutely love staying down in Centro. So I won't take you through the whole thing again with the flowers, but it really was just so much cooler lit up at night, and they had the sound effects going, and they had screens, and everything did just nice. I really enjoyed it, and I am happy that I came down here again to see it at night. So if you have small kiddos, or you know, you're just a fan of flora, go down and check it out. It's really cool, and I think it happens until April 16th. So if you're in Merida right now, you can go and check this out. And that's a wrap on this video. They were getting ready to project onto the cathedral. I really wish I stayed, but again, the crowds, the noise, it was all in Spanish anyway. So make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next one.